Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a subdomain on your GoDaddy account. So for that, what you have to do, just click here over there, my products, and here you're going to see all the domains you have. Suppose so we have right now here the only one, and then here you have to click on to the manage. Oh, not there over there. So we need to go back again. Instead of the manage, we have to create on the DNS, by the way. So here we are. So we're going to click here on the DNS. And once we are over here, you need to click on here the DNS again to make sure it's over there. And here you can select whatever the domain you want. So for now we have the tdf.com, and now we're going to create a subdomain for this domain actually. So you need to click on forward over there on the top. And now here you're going to see we have already the domain, and then there is no subdomain yet. So for that, what you have to do, just click on add forwarding, and here you need to create, here you have to give whatever the subdomain you want to create. So suppose I'm going to give here the name dream dream team academy and dot and the actual the domain. So for that's it, then we need to make sure we have to add the destination URL over here, and let me to copy this one and paste over here the actual domain, and make sure we're going to make HTTPS. And once it's done, just click on over here, save changes, and I think that's it. It's going to take sometimes going to take the 48 hours, or sometimes it's going to take only the few minutes. And this is how you can create a subdomain, by the way. Thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.